Think you can sneeze with your eyes open? Think again. So, you're wondering why you can't sneeze with your eyes open, huh? Well, it's all thanks to your body's built-in protective reflex. When you sneeze, your body creates a huge amount of pressure. Closing your eyes is your brain's way of saying, hey, let's not let anything blow into our eyes. Just imagine the chaos if you didn't. Your eyeballs might just pop out. Okay, not really, but it would be pretty uncomfortable. So yes, it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open, and it's all for your safety. Give it a try if you dare, and let me know in the comments if you succeed. Spoiler alert, you probably won't. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button for more curious facts. Catch you in the next one. Curio Snap watermark. You in.